Tired of expensive haircut appointments or struggling with clippers that die mid-cut? This professional cordless clipper kit saves serious time and money. USB charging means charge anywhere, home, car, traveling, no hunting outlets or tangled cords. Powerful motor delivers barber-quality precision every time. Quick trims, full haircuts, or detailed edges. Cordless freedom means natural movement, reaching every angle without cord wrestling. Complete kit includes everything: multiple guide combs, cleaning tools, quality accessories rivaling professional barbers. Perfect for households, car use, or travel touch-ups. Long battery life completes multiple haircuts per charge, ideal for families or roommates. Exceptional gift for Halloween, Christmas, birthdays, or any man, husband, or aspiring barber who values looking sharp without salon prices. Whether maintaining your style, cutting kids' hair, or starting a side hustle, these deliver professional results with consumer convenience. Precision blades stay sharp, durable construction lasts years. Stop overpaying. Link in description and comments.